Guys, the crypto market is about to explode much higher. If you're here for it, drop a like. You know I got you. I'm gonna walk you through the plays for Jasmy, but I'm gonna show you something today and why I really do believe that the bottom is in. So make sure you subscribe. We talk about XRP, XLM. Yesterday's video got over 1,000 views. I appreciate that, everyone that watched it. Make sure you watch it. It's a very detailed video about XLM and XRP. I recently bought XLM yesterday, and I'm green on that buy. And I shared information with you all on why I bought and where I think it can go next. And I think it's a safe hold. So you want to make sure you're buying the right cryptos. Don't be greedy. Make the right investments. But Jasmy is another great play, in my opinion. We first bought Jasmy at 0.005, 0.006. Patreon members were alerted. We've been updating the group multiple times a day on different stocks like AMD, Tesla, Palantir. SoFi had a great week. So make sure you're part of the community. If you're not, the link is down below. I'll show you now, guys, why I think the bottom is in. So check this out. About 4 days ago, I made a post saying 4 years of support for XRP. What is next? And the reason I want to bring this up is because I think XRP tells us a lot of where the floor is for a lot of other cryptos. XRP has been pretty stable, and you know what XRP does, has a huge use case. I think it's going to be a monster this bull run. But 4 days ago, I posted this. I said, this is insane. Yellow arrows, monthly time frame. You tell me what happens next. I recently said, I think the last dip was the greatest fake out of all time. XRP is currently at 44 cents, went as low as 38 cents. Then I go on to say, do you think this line holds? I'm talking about this line right here. 4 years of support, guys. Okay. I do. XRP will be one of the greatest returns, in my opinion, and safest. This was 4 days ago. We were at 44 cents. I made an alert at like 41, 42 cents. Guys, this is where we are as of right now for XRP. We're almost at 52 cents. You have to understand this is all one big game. You have to understand stochastic RSI in the charts. You have to understand market cap and circulating supply. Talking about market cap and circulating supply, now that you understand the floor is in for XRP, which means the floor is in for most coins, in my opinion. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do more research after watching this video. But let's get into Jasmy now. Jasmy above me, 23.94, number 62 overall. Guys, I'm going to show you the last 90 days really quick. Then we're going to look at the last year. The last 90 days were only up 30%. Okay, it's had a massive rally, but obviously it's pulled back. I want to show you this though. You can see right here, we are creating higher lows. Okay, we are consolidating between 2 and 2.5. This is a good sign. We're just coiling up. You're going to see in a second on the yearly, the last year, that this is an important zone also. The last buy I told you guys was 2.2, then 1.9. Drop a comment if you bought at 2.2 and 1.9. Okay, right there's 1.9. The reason I told you this was a buy is I use Fibonacci, and this was an area on a fib level where it was going to test, and usually it retraces, which it did right here. Okay, so right now coiling up for Jasmy looks very good, even at 23.94 in my opinion. You can see also we have some consolidation over here between 1.50 to 2, and that's why I said if 1.9 doesn't hold, and for whatever reason, if the floor isn't in, but I do think the floor is in and Bitcoin tends to pull back, then expect 1.50. Worst case scenario, 1.2 for Jasmy. So with that mindset and that understanding that, okay, we've looked at everything. If the worst case scenario is 1.50 or 1.2, what is your risk to reward for Jasmy right now? Think about it like this, guys. Even if you buy, and I'm not telling you to buy, I'm just telling you how I think, and hopefully this helps you. Even if you bought at 2.3 or 2.4 or 2.5 cents or even 2.7, right now we're at 2.394. You have a better reward opportunity than risk, in my opinion, because if we know, even if we think it goes to 1.50, great, buy more. This thing is going to go up. The floor is at 1.2. It's not going to go lower than 1.2. And that's if Bitcoin crashes. That's like worst case scenario. And I don't think that's going to happen. I think the floor is in. So with this right now, higher lows consolidating, this looks great, guys. Let's look at the 1 year. You can see above me, we're up 206% for the last year, which is great. You can also see we consolidated down here at 3.8. I wish I bought down here. I didn't. I ended up buying around this area, 0.005, 0.006. It ran up, consolidated. It ran up. You can see right there. And now it's pulling back, guys. It's pulling back massively because Jasmy ran over 1,000% in the last, I mean, this is saying the last year, but if you go from this point to the top, it was over 1,000% return. So this is expected. But the good news, guys, is we have a lot of consolidation right here. Also, on my other charts that I usually show you, we have a lot of volume in this area. So this is why this is the floor. It's not going to go lower, I believe, than 1.5 pennies, honestly. And I don't even know if it's going to reach 1.5 pennies. Again, that really depends on what Bitcoin and Ethereum do from here. But knowing everything we know, this is a great crypto to hold, in my opinion. But if you don't agree, let me know down below. Let me know your thoughts. Make sure you drop a like, guys. Would always appreciate that if you haven't yet. And share this video. Another thing I want to show you are the tokenomics for Jasmy real quick. And you really need to understand, you know, I've given price targets of 12 to 13 cents. These are conservative, obviously. I mean, that's a 6 to 7x on investment of today's prices. Show me where you can get that in the stock market outside of a penny stock, and those are very risky. Okay, this is an opportunity, guys, and I made a tweet earlier. I'll show you actually. Every generation has a thing they can invest in to get very, very, very wealthy. No, it's not houses for you. Okay, you missed that boat. No, it's not Apple or Microsoft for you. You missed that too. Maybe if you invested in the early 2000s or even Nvidia, that would have been great. No, it's not McDonald's corporations for you. Okay, maybe some of you have been around for quite some time and you should have listened to Ray Kroc back in the day. Crypto is your investment. Do not be an idiot. Okay, guys? I'm not saying to throw all your money in there. I'm not saying to throw your entire nest egg into crypto, but it's good to be diversified. I believe in crypto, stocks, not really mutual funds or ETFs, not really my thing. I believe in riskier stocks, good companies, good chart setups. Crypto, obviously, I hold less than 10 cryptos though. Again, check the links out down below if you want to see my portfolio. And I believe in cash value life insurance. Now, I'm not gonna get into cash value life insurance, but the only reason I really like cash value life insurance, guys, is all the money you put in and all the gains is tax-free when you pull it out, even before 59.5. There's no other financial product out there that allows that, right? So my goal and my strategy is I'm gonna make a bunch of money with crypto, pay my taxes, put that into my life insurance policy, and then borrow from myself in the next bear market and invest into crypto again while I'm also making money in my life insurance policy. So maybe some of you understand what I'm talking about. But anyways, Jasmy looks great, okay? This is not financial advice. Again, this is just my own opinion, and I hope you start to think like me because I think it'll help you. Have a great day.